If we work hard, we will finish the project on time. This is an example of a first conditional sentence. The first part is in the present simple tense, and the second part is in the future simple tense. What does this mean? The first conditional is used to express a real or very probable situation in the future. It refers to things that will possibly happen in the future if a condition is met. In a way, we are predicting a likely result in the future if a certain condition happens. First conditionals are also known as type 1 conditionals. The first conditional uses the present simple in the if clause and future simple in the main clause. Let's look at the sentence again. If we work hard, we will finish the project on time. The condition is, if we work hard. This is an if clause, because it begins with if. What is the result of this if clause? The result is, we will finish the project on time. This is what we predict will happen. Also, we have to use a comma at the end of an if clause, when an if clause comes at the beginning of the sentence. Here, I am saying it is possible that we will finish the project on time on the condition of working hard now. I am predicting that this is the likely result in the future. Notice how the main clause is in the future simple tense. We will finish. It is also important to note that the if clause must be in the present simple tense. We say, if we work hard. Work is in the present simple tense. We cannot say, if we will work hard. This is not correct. Do not use the future tense in the if clause. Here are some more example sentences of the first conditional. If you like Susie Singer, then you'll love her new album. Remember, you'll is a contraction of you will. If you take this medicine, you will feel much better. Where are my keys? If you look in the garage, you will find them. Don't worry. If I see John, I won't tell him about the surprise. You can see that we can use a negative form of the future simple. Won't is a contraction of will not. If I don't feel well tomorrow, I won't go to work. If it is sunny tomorrow, we will have a picnic at the park. If he doesn't arrive soon, we will leave without him. Notice how after all of these sentences, there is a comma after the if clause. Look at this sentence. If it rains tomorrow, we will stay home. We cannot say, if it will rain tomorrow, no. The if clause needs to be in the present simple tense. Do not use the future tense in the if clause. Remember, put a comma after the if clause when it comes first in the sentence. We can change the order of this sentence and have the main clause, the result, before the if clause, the condition. How can we change our example sentence, if it rains tomorrow, we will stay home? How can we change it to this order? We say, we will stay home if it rains tomorrow. Note that with this order, we do not use a comma between the clauses. Let's change the order of some of the example sentences we have already seen. If you look in the garage, you will find them. Becomes, you will find them if you look in the garage. If you take this medicine, you'll feel much better. Becomes, you'll feel much better if you take this medicine. If I see John, I won't tell him about the surprise. Becomes, I won't tell John about the surprise if I see him. If he doesn't arrive soon, we'll leave without him. Becomes, we'll leave without him if he doesn't arrive soon. The first conditional is common when we are talking about possible plans, promises, warnings, threats, or for persuading someone. We are predicting a likely result in the future if a condition is fulfilled. For example, if I go to Italy next week for work, I'll visit the Colosseum. This is my plan. This is my possible plan. If I have time tomorrow, I will help you. This is a promise I am making. If you touch that wire, you'll get an electric shock. This is a warning, so don't touch that wire. If you eat my chocolate, you'll sleep outside with the dog. This is a threat. If you drive us to the concert, I'll pay for the parking. Here, I'm trying to persuade someone to do something in the future, in this case, to drive us to the concert. I hope you found this English lesson about first conditionals useful. Have an awesome day.